Yo. What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Kyosho Fazer MK2 1970 Dodge Charger, and we got the Team Associated Hoonicorn truck. Yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison with these two rigs today, these two cars. I'm gonna take them out and do a speed test. Handling more stable. American muscles. Check out the outside. You got the Charger is way longer. It got smaller tires. You got rotors. You can see the rotors and the red brake calipers. Same with this one. You got rotors and brake calipers, which give it that realistic look to them, real scale look to these cars. Now let's check out underneath the chassis to see which one is longer. Here they go side by side, about the same. Looks like the Team Associated may be a smidge longer. Maybe a smidge longer. I know it'd be easy to take the bodies off, but I already hooked the light up right here, the thing to cover the light, go up and down, and I really don't feel like taking that back off. That's why I didn't take the bodies off. Dodge Charger, the system comes in it is the Brains 10 waterproof 60 amp ESC, the Torx 10 4,000 kV motor. Here I got a Onyx system in it, the door track. No, I got the Reedy in here, don't I? I think I got the Reedy system. Yeah, I got the Reedy system in here. I got the Reedy system in the Hoonicorn. I got the Reedy system, 60 amp ESC, 3300 kV motor. But this got a 4,000 kV motor, so this is 3300 kV motor. So Challenger definitely going to be faster. I want to see how much. Both of them work with the same ampage ESC, so both 60 amp ESCs. We're going to see who can impress me today. All right, I'm out now. I got the Charger up first. I'm gonna do a speed test, then a little badge test, but let's get into it. All right, here we go. Full throttle. And it's nice and straight. All right, let me see what speed that was real fast. Yeah, that was 37 miles an hour. But I gotta remember, I got it on 2S. Yeah, it's definitely 2S, but it's moving. I forgot that fast I got it on 2S. 2S, running both of them on 2S. 5200 milliamps, 50C. So you know it's not gonna push the way it's supposed to, but it's still good enough for me. I think 37 is good as it's gonna get, because that was full throttle. Like I had full throttle the whole pull, really. Like, all right, I'm full throttle. Full throttle. So you know that's as fast as it's gonna get. All right, let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, that was 36. That was 36. So that's around about right. If I had a more powerful C rating, it probably would have hit 40. But let me give it one more shot, see how it does. I'm gonna give it some distance this time. Let me see what that was real quick. Probably 37, 36. That was 36 again. I don't know why it's dropping, but that's fine. All right, let's just bash. This thing is a beast. This thing is a monster. Check out the flip up lights. I like driving this at night too. Whoa. Yo, this thing got some nice drift, man. All right, I'm about to pull out the Hoonicorn. See if it can hang. Yo. Yo, this thing is a beast. And it's only 2S. That's the crazy part. This is only 2S. Yo, this is another car that never disappoints when I come out too. No! Sure everything is all right. Everything is cool. Yo. This thing, oh, look at my body. Oh, man. What? This thing got nice handling, good suspension. You can't count me flipping. That was my fault. Definitely my fault. But let's pull out the Hoonicorn. Got out the Hoonicorn now. Hoonigan Hoonicorn, team associated. Let's get into it. Whoa. Why is this moving so slow? I thought she was ready, but I could see she not. This is full throttle right here. Wow. Yo, what the heck? It is. This, I don't know, man. Something wrong. I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out. Well, this is without steering. Watch how. Let me see if I fix this steering real quick. Will that help? Be right back. I got the steering a little straighter. Still turning to the right. Like, I am not turning this. This is basically doing it on its own. I know what it is. It's the stabilizer in there. I forget what it's called. That's what it is. I could oh yeah, let me check that speed. Like, where are you going? Let me check that speed real quick. All right, I didn't do is start the GPS, but let's start it now. Full throttle. Oh. Yo, are you gassing on your own? All right, let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, that was 21 miles an hour. This is a 3S system. But I think the stabilizer, whatever this shit's called in this car, is having playing a big part. Not letting me get full throttle or nothing. Look at this. That is top speed. Whoa. Oh, I'm having a hard time with this, people. Oh my God. I see what the problem was. It's the stabilizer in here. It's really making me go out of control. It's reducing my speed, so I can't really do what I usually do. But that's cool. But I'm gonna give you my thoughts on both cars coming right up. Yeah, see, this really ain't too much of a fair comparison though, because I'm having problems with the Hoonicorn. But you know, with the Challenger, it get a 10 in handling, 10 in stable. Power system get a 10. So this get an all-around 10. This car is beautiful. It ride beautiful. The tires are smaller, but you see it handled pretty good. Now for the Hoonicorn, I can't really blame the car for what's the problem it's had. Well, it is the car, but it's the stabilization. What is it called? The stability control is on, so it's not letting me go but so fast, and it's turning. Whatever this thing is called in here, the stabilization unit, whatever. But I'm gonna have to hold out on the rating on this car because I don't think it's too fair. So, but as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.